Good morning, friends who like nail art. I have something new for you. This is a super quick, super short video. I just wanted to show you some other versions of the now famous magnetic cat eye heart design. So what I did to prep these is I just did the standard cat eye gel polish, did some hearts, but I did do some specific things. So you'll notice the green one up there has a bullseye. The silver one and silver and gold one I'm holding has the cat eye gold around the edge, and then I put a coat of silver and did the heart in there. And what I'm doing is just putting some lines around the edge to frame it, so it's kind of a framed design. The purple one has a double heart, so I did one heart at the bottom and then one heart at the top, and I did these before curing it, so I know people have been struggling. As long as you keep the magnet away, you can pull it off. And then the last one up there, actually I have two more, but the one that's up in the far right corner is a ombre. It's 3 different gel polishes. I started at the bottom of the nail, created the heart design, then I went up, added another layer, and added a second heart, and cured it again, and then I added another layer, did a third heart top, and cured it again. And I'm going to show you how we're going to design these out. So these are kind of like comic book style, I think is what you'd really kind of call them. So I went in with the first one and created sort of a frame for it, for the heart, and the second one I put a black heart in the center, and then I outlined the 2 cat eyes on either side just for something different. That third one I went off film, so I cut most of that out, but it's just at the center of the bullseye. I filled in with black to make a black heart at the very center and put some black on the outer edge. And the ombre one that I just told you, that is a 3-step process. I just outlined the top of each heart to create an easier transition between the 3 ombres. The last one, I did a straight cat eye with no heart effect, so I just used the cat eye magnet to create some lines, some cat eye lines. I did do 3 coats so that I could get 3 different magnetic lines, so you get kind of a star in the center is what you come up with. And then I am going to put some hearts, starting with the largest one in the center, and I'm going to do a row of hearts right down the middle of the nail, and we're going to outline these in black. Again, this is just a really quick, not quite a tutorial, just wanted to share some other ideas of what I've been playing with at the salon and at home with regard to the cat eye magnetic effect that you've been seeing everywhere and has gone completely viral for Valentine's Day. I do plan on doing one more that you won't want to miss because it was very cool. We're going to be using spider gel, ombre, and cat eye polish to create some roses and flowers and vines. So a not quite traditional Valentine's Day nail. I'm going to release that a little bit later probably in the next week or so because I have to edit the video, but it came out super, super cool. I was really, really happy with the way it came out. So it's essentially I'm using cat eye polish to paint instead of using it as a full coverage. So really interesting effects. I love the way it came out. But anyway, back to our nail. So I am now just painting the hearts. I got distracted. I was excited. I was looking at the photo of the other set of nails and I got excited. I cut most of that out because you guys don't want to watch me just outline hearts. So I outlined all 3 hearts. We're going to put an arrow in the middle of this one just for some fun and some kind of traditional Valentine's Day. I really like the way all of these came out. Like I said, they're all just little play ideas for you, but I enjoyed the way all of those came out. So we're going to put that on and add some top coat, and I will show you what they look like completed. As with any cat eye, they don't photograph nearly as well as they look. So I am going to run, instead of doing the standard photo, I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the shift so that you can see what that actually looks like. So cool. I hope you're having fun with your magnetic cat eyes, and I will see you next week.